Hey socialites, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Ariell. I create mainly beauty videos, fragrance, and lifestyle vlogs. So be sure to hit the subscribe button so you too can become a socialite. So today is another exciting video because this is going to be my very first fragrance tray. Recently I put up a video of a makeup tray that I created of products that I wanted to use throughout the month of September. So I thought, why not do a fragrance tray? That way I can sort of pick up some of the fragrances that I want to pick up sometimes, but I forget about them. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. First up is Kayali's The Wedding Silk Santal 36. Now this is a beautiful fragrance. I think it launched about a month ago. I do have a full review up of this fragrance if you want to click that link right there to check it out. But this is a beautiful vanilla scent, gorgeous vanilla, jasmine, a tiny bit spicy. This is a beautiful fragrance. It could be an everyday wearable, or you could wear it somewhere a little fancy. It just crosses both lines in that way. But I did put this on the fragrance tray this month because I definitely want to use it up. I just got the full size bottle that came in the mail yesterday. I had been babying this little 10 ml. So since the full size came in, I thought, why not go ahead and use this up this month? That way I can open my big bottle and start using that one up. But this is a really pretty fragrance, you guys. Comment down below if you've tried this one before. Next on the tray is Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Now I did talk about this in a recent unisex fragrance video. This is a beautiful cherry, boozy, almost like a syrupy cherry boozy scent that's a bit spicy. So pretty, very intoxicating. It almost gives cola vibes a little bit as well. So pretty. This is one that I rarely pick up anymore. When I first got it, I went crazy spraying this nonstop. So I don't even think I have very much of it left in here. So that's mostly why I put it on the tray, because I want to go ahead and use it up and maybe I can go shopping for something new. But this is a very pretty scent as well. I feel like this is something you could wear in the summertime and it could cross over into winter. It's one of those fragrances. Very beautiful. It's also a fragrance that I feel like can be casual and you could wear it at night. It's kind of like one of those as well. So yeah, Tom Ford Lost Cherry. Next up is another beautiful one. This one is Killian's I Don't Need a Prince by My Side to Be a Princess. Y'all, this is so pretty. It's sweet, it's fruity, it's fun, it's a little ambery. I feel like it might be a little vanilla in here. I'm not sure what the notes is, but this is so pretty. This is something that could be an everyday scent. Really pretty girl scent, but not in a super soft fairy tale way. This is a little bit heavy. It has a definite presence to it. Comment down below if you've tried this one before. I rarely pick this one up. I think I might have worn it one time before. That's why I buy a lot of travel sizes too, because it takes me so long to get through fragrances. Sometimes I buy them and they just kind of sit to the back burner, but they're also pretty. Y'all, this is a gorgeous fragrance. Lasts for a really good amount of time on the skin as well. So yeah, this is I Don't Need a Prince by My Side to Be a Princess by Killian. Next is a fragrance that I got from one of my scent box orders when I was still getting scent box, and this is Cassiopeia from Tiziana Terenzi. This is not the typical Tiziana Terenzi fragrance that most of us are probably used to, which are those really strong, moody, heavily musky scents. This one's completely different. It has fruits in there, like exotical fruits, but this is more of an upbeat, fun, sweet, girly scent. Nothing really unisex about this one. Super fruity, not heavy on the musk whatsoever. It smells like light, watery fruits. So gorgeous. It's almost tropical, you guys. It smells so good. I think I took this on vacation with me one time, so it's probably a little less than half in here. So that's why I definitely wanted to put it on the tray so I can go ahead and use it up. And this is one that I would consider buying a full size of. It's just that good. Next up is Elixir from Roja Parfums. Now I talked about this in my summer fragrance video. Beautiful, smells ultra rich, smells just super like you're established and been established already for 40 years. Super light, feminine, fruity, floral, a little bit of musk in there, but a super refined musk. This is a super refined, expensive smelling musk, and it's light. So ultra beautiful. I love the bottle, this heavy weighted top that just looks so chic. Love everything about it. I got this for Christmas last year, I want to say. Yeah, I got this for Christmas last year. So I put this on the tray because this is one of those where you only need a little, like just a couple sprays, because it really projects. The quality of this is insane. But I wanted to put this on the tray because this is one that I want to reach for more often. Sometimes I feel like, oh, I don't want to reach for it because it's sort of fancy and I want to save it, but I need to just go ahead and start wearing them or I'll have them forever. But yeah, this is Elixir from Roja Parfums. Next up, Fame from Paco Rabanne. You guys already know how I feel about this. I put so many of you on to this fragrance. I love it. It's a super fun spring summer fragrance. Mango, clean smelling, just a fruity floral, a little jasmine in here. Gorgeous, pretty for everyday wearable. Lasts about 3 to 4 hours on the skin. So this is one you want to kind of take with you and kind of refresh yourself every few hours. But so beautiful. This has been my go-to for the spring and summer. I only have a tiny bit left in here. I would say probably less than a fourth left in here. So I definitely wanted to put it on the tray so I can finish this out before fall hits. And then I think I'm going to try something different. And last but certainly not least is Donna Born in Roma from Valentino. Y'all, this is a classic. Smells so good. This is a heavy, ambery, vanilla, super sweet, not quite syrupy sweet. Smells expensive. Smells like that fun girl, that sexy girl, but at the same time it's casual. Love this. I love this, and I love the I think it's the intense version. Love both of them. This is one that I hardly reach for because when I get new fragrances I always reach for the new ones, and this one seems to sit back on the back burner sometimes, but I definitely wanted this to be on the tray so I can go ahead and start using it up. But yeah, this is a super beautiful fragrance, very fun, very girly, everyday wearable. You can wear it in the daytime or the nighttime. It's one of those. Y'all, super good. Comment down below if you've tried Donna Born in Roma from Valentino. So that's it for my September fragrance tray. Comment down below. Let me know what fragrances you're going to reach for this month. If you're new here, welcome. I would love for you to come join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. 'Cause I've been where you are. You're too scared to show me love. 'Cause too fresh with the sky.